Hi, and welcome to Feast with Cornese. I am Cornese, and today's feast is a viewer's choice. And we have rice, sausage, cucumber, shrimp, prawn. If you're new to this channel, guys, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back, guys. I thank you all for your support. If you would, leave me a comment so we can communicate. Like this video, share this video. Subscribe to the channel, guys, if you haven't. Let's get into this feast. So, yesterday, I went yesterday to get me something to eat. And I won't say the restaurant name right now because of everything that's going on. But, I'm sorry, guys. I went yesterday to get something to eat. And I walk in, and I decided to go to the bathroom first. So I went. On the way there, I saw an employee that was sitting on her break. You could tell she was an employee. She had a uniform on. And so I proceeded to go to the restroom. You guys, I'm talking a little slow right now. I'm sorry if I am. My throat is very sore. I lost my voice and I'm going to tell you. So, therefore, I proceeded to go to the bathroom. What I was not prepared for was a fall. They mopped the floors and didn't put a sign out. Then on top of that, they waxed the other side and there was not anything there. I messed up my knee really bad. It's been fractured in 2 places. Dislocated because they can't put it back in place. And I've just been in so much pain, so you guys bear with me if you would. But we gonna do this mukbang. You hear me? I hope all of your day is going well. unlike somewhat of mine. But we're going to push through. Pray until something happens, as in a miracle, of that some of this pain go away. So, therefore, that's what happened yesterday. I fell. She proceeded to get the manager because I asked for her. She was just there. I'm on the floor, can't get up, sliding. Literally, sliding. Literally, I'm sliding. And I can't get up. I call for help. This gentleman walked through the door. And I was telling him, no, go back, what have you, the floor. At the time, the employee is sitting there. She's just like, I'm on my break. So it don't even matter. Let's try one of these prawns. So he called out for help. They see what's going on when they get around. So the employees had to put on their shoes, some kind of slip-resistant shoes. And what thrilled me was that they didn't have some already on, with them working already. So they put these shoes on. They come over, and I asked them not to move me. I have been in the medical field. I knew. And I asked them to call an ambulance. What confused me, guys, was that why weren't they trying to call from the beginning? You could clearly see, because I thought my leg or my knee was broken. You can clearly see I had on tights. You could see that my knee wasn't where it should have been. Nowhere where it should have been. And the pain was very excruciating because I can't explain it to you. But it's something I never want to feel ever again in my life. Right now I'm propped up where my knee is. So they decided to call the ambulance. The ambulance got there. They lifted me and put a brace on my knee before they did that, to try to hold it steady, like a little brick two-way. I'm not sure what it is. We proceeded to go to the ER, where by the time they got down to the ER we were going to, Ed was coming from over, well, I wasn't in my state, so he was coming from over in our state to DC. And he met us. He was actually behind the ambulance. And proceeded to go to the hospital. They did what they did. They took x-rays. They did everything. They tried to give me certain medications that I can't take. And I'm like, nope, you can keep the opioids, right? So, and it's because I'm allergic to it, not, you know, anything else. So, that's what happened to me on yesterday. A lot of people asked me that I did talk to you on yesterday. A lot of people asked, are you going to sue them? Are you going to sue them? And it's not, I'm going to get rich, you know, because I'm going to sue this big company. How could they? I think about, to me, I think about, as I get older, what kind of problems this is going to lead to where no money can compensate that. And I'm really teed, guys, because who wouldn't be? Because I'm still in disbelief that they would actually do that. And it was that back over in a corner. Excuse me. And no one really would have known because of how the floors look. They're already glossy. And I'm always looking for signs. If I come in a facility, wouldn't you, if you saw a yellow sign, and would you go in that direction? No, because you already know the floor is wet. So with that being said, I just assumed the floor was dry. And I was just taken back when I found out, you know, you did this like all of 10 minutes ago and left it. It didn't bother you that you should have came back to put the sign up. But where the sign was, guys, was in the dry bathroom. The floor was dry in the bathroom. And how I know is because the employee, after getting help, she decided to walk into the bathroom and tell the other guy, which is the woman's bathroom, that actually mopped the floors. She told the guy, oh, here it is. Like they only had one. I'm like, so I don't know what was going on in the facility, but due to their negligence, okay, him being irresponsible, it was to my expense. That will not be okay. Now nor later on, because I know what injuries like this cause. So, I'm just looking to be cheered up, waiting to see night. I'm waiting to see nice videos, waiting to be cheered up. I am happy about my meal. That's the Carolina shrimp, guys. I told you guys before, it's becoming my favorite. I always have to get them. So, I'm going to proceed on and take it to court. I am. and I don't wish to ever visit their facilities again, ever. I mean, you see this place, there's not a steak or a near city that you can't find this restaurant. I mean, it's that huge. Yes, they franchise out, but this facility actually, corporate owns it. No franchise. So, I ask you guys, just keep me in your prayers. Hopefully we don't have to have any surgeries. But that was my day. So I'm going to say this today. I thank God for waking me up this morning. And no matter what happened on yesterday, He's going to be there and He's going to make sure I'm okay. And so is my family. And so are my channel family. I love you guys. I made sausage lollipops. Just kebabs. I cooked them on a grill. So you guys, leave in the comments what you soup and why would you? So I'm hoping not to gain weight because I'm not going to be able to exercise for a while. It's crazy. But my cousin Lakeisha, shout out Lakeisha, is getting married in August, and y'all, they just done messed up my whole summer. But I will be at her wedding. Nothing's gonna stop me. I ain't going nowhere, you guys, because as long as I can sit back here and prop this up and I can sit here and arrange this food how you guys like it and want it, that's what we gonna do. I ain't no giving up over here, baby. The devil is a trip, too. I'm going to say that. I'm not trying to put my religion on anyone. But, boy, it's like as soon as he know that, ooh, this or that is good happening to you, or this might happen to you good, here you go. As soon as you try to come up, he throwing it. Nope. Trying to block that. Not going to happen. He can't stop my blessings because my above is like awesome, then awesome. He couldn't stop him before us, and he ain't going to stop him now. It's up to us, guys. So, let's have fun. No matter whether I think later, it might have to go in a cast. I'm not sure. They said it in, I guess it's like a cast, but it's not like one of the, I can't, next video I'll tell you guys exactly what they did because, like, I don't know. But I know I go back to the doctor next week. So let's hope whatever, I guess it's a cast, guys. I don't know. I know how they made it. Like some foamy stuff. I was like, y'all trying to insulate a house. You know that foam insulation? And that's what it looked like. So, we have some tiger shrimp here too, guys. I was telling you guys about. There's a tiger shrimp. But yeah, so I hope you guys, they have been awesome. What are your plans for the summer? Give me some ideas. If I'm stuck in the house, yeah, don't leave me now. So, I can have some fun too. How do you all feel about your kids or grandkids or nieces and nephews? How do you feel about them all out now for the summer? Leave it in the comments below. I'm gonna get some onions. Rice. Gonna pick this pop up, okay? Excuse me. This is big. Mmm. 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 So, cucumber. Get you some rice like this. Put some of those onions on there like that. And we're gonna do it again. So guys, I know we've been here for a while, But I would like to say happy Friday again. And I've ate through this entire video. I'm sorry. Guys, please enjoy your weekend. I won't be going live on Saturday. Probably trying to get some rest, guys. And guys, I thank you so much. If you would you please leave me a comment, like this video, share this video if you like. And if you haven't already, would you please subscribe to the channel. And until my next feast, we meet again. Please stay safe and God bless. Bye, guys.